Are you thinking of making something simple that tastes amazing and looks impressive at the same time? Then these baked red potatoes with creamy mixed seafood sauce is just the right one for you. Welcome to Inspired by JI. First, you wash your red potato. Remember, you got this potato from the soil and not from a luxury spa. And once they're clean, you take a knife, poke some hole in between them. This trick helps them cook faster and more evenly in the oven. Next, you drizzle a little oil over the potato and sprinkle some salt. Give them a quick mix so every potato is lightly coated. And then you place this potato in the oven and bake them whole. While the potato is baking, let's move on to the creamy seafood sauce, the real star of the show. Now I got some mixed seafood here. I add them some spices, some oil, and set aside for about 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna lightly fry this. It's about medium done. The goal here is not to cook it completely because seafood cooks very quickly. If you overcook it, the shrimp will turn rubbery, and nobody ordered seafood flavored rubber today. No one. So yeah, let's not forget about our potato while we're making this creamy sauce. Yeah, our potato looks almost ready. Now let's go back to our seafood. Once it is lightly cooked, remove the seafood from the pan and set aside. Now using the same pan because flavor lives there and I'm trying to avoid washing extra dishes. I'm gonna add some chopped onions, some ginger, garlic, and some scotch bonnet. This is where I start building my flavor from, and please don't add too much scotch bonnet, it's very spicy. Now for the creamy part of the sauce, I'm gonna be using some organic coconut milk. Add some coconut milk to this sauce and stir for some seconds and then let it boil. And then I'm gonna mix some corn flour with some coconut milk and also add this to the sauce and stir continuously. You don't want any lump to be in the sauce. Allow this sauce to come to a boil for about 2 minutes and add any spices of your choice. Remember, your mixed seafood is well spiced. What you're trying to avoid is overspicing this creamy sauce. Now bring the seafood back into the pan and stir into the sauce. Let everything cook together for a few minutes so the seafood absorbs all that delicious flavor. To finish this off, I'm gonna add some fresh coriander leaves. Now this coriander leaves helps to add some color, some freshness, and makes the dish look like you know what you're doing. And there you go, your creamy mixed seafood sauce is ready. Now take a look at our perfectly baked potato, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Now I'm gonna cut this carefully into equal halves and then carefully spoon the creamy mixed seafood sauce right into the center of each potato half. Don't be shy. Don't be shy with it. The more the sauce, the happier the potato, right? This potato is looking for something delicious to go right at the center of it. And just like that, you have baked red potatoes filled with rich, creamy seafood sauce with a little heat from the scotch bonnet and the smooth coconut flavor, bringing everything together. I almost ate all of this. Oh my god. The secret to this is to serve it hot and enjoy every bite. Trust me, anyone that tastes this will absolutely love it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you try this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Until next time, stay inspired.